The universe whispers its secrets to those who listen. We gaze at the star-dusted canvas of the night sky and wonder, what if we held a key, a map to unlock its deepest enigmas? Imagine a revolutionary new understanding of reality itself. This is the breathtaking promise encapsulated within the Nemonian universe model. It represents a bold, visionary framework meticulously developed by Nemo Jackson through quantum technological innovations. This innovative model courageously challenges us to perceive the cosmos not as we think it is, but in an entirely new and profound light. It hints at a hidden, intricate architecture, a grand design patiently waiting to be explored by humanity's relentless curiosity. At its very core, the Nemonian model presents a universe of staggering complexity and elegance. It proposes a structural reality composed of 27 distinct dimensions. These dimensions are systematically numbered, beginning from a foundational dimension 0 and progressing upwards to dimension 26. Each successive dimension meticulously adds a new layer, a fresh set of properties to the entirety of existence. This concept transcends mere spatiality. It encompasses the fundamental building blocks of everything we know and everything we don't. The model ambitiously seeks to connect all disparate phenomena, to unify the great established theories of physics. Its ultimate goal is to weave them into one beautiful, harmonious and coherent tapestry of existence. But why, you might ask, is such an all-encompassing model necessary in our current scientific landscape? Modern physics, for all its incredible power and predictive accuracy, still grapples with profound puzzles and internal contradictions. Quantum mechanics provides an astonishingly accurate description of the universe at the smallest scales, the realm of particles, and their peculiar interactions. Conversely, general relativity masterfully explains the force of gravity and the behavior of cosmic structures at the grandest scales, like stars, galaxies, and the expanding universe. Yet these two pillars of modern science stubbornly refuse to speak the same mathematical language. This fundamental incompatibility represents a significant roadblock to deeper understanding, signaling that our current picture is incomplete. Prepare yourself for an extraordinary intellectual adventure as we embark on this exploration. We will journey through the Nemonian universe model, dimension by intricate dimension. We will witness firsthand how each unique layer contributes its specific characteristics to the magnificent cosmic whole. This is a quest that masterfully blends the rigor of established scientific principles with the audacity of startlingly new ideas and imaginative leaps. Along the way, we will encounter precise mathematical equations, fascinating geometric correspondences, and even elemental associations for each dimensional stratum. This voyage will transport us from the familiar landscapes of our everyday experience to the farthest, most exotic reaches of theoretical physics. This is far more than just another theory. It's a compelling invitation to rethink everything. The dream of discovering a single elegant theory to explain all of nature's forces is not new. For centuries, the greatest minds have pursued this ultimate prize. Newton unified celestial and terrestrial mechanics. Maxwell unified electricity and magnetism. Einstein sought a grand unifying theory. Our current understanding remains fractured. Quantum mechanics and general relativity, each powerful yet distinct. They yield contradictory results in extreme conditions. Dark matter and dark energy remain mysteries. A unified theory could revolutionize our world. It would offer a profound comprehension of our cosmic origins. The Nemonian universe model stands as a testament to the power of synthesis, built from diverse scientific disciplines. It embraces the complexity of the cosmos, weaving together multiple threads of scientific thought. Quantum mechanics forms a foundational cornerstone describing energy and matter at minuscule scales. String theory posits extra hidden dimensions, suggesting matter consists of tiny, vibrating strings of energy. The model integrates dark matter dynamics, proposing a specific dimensional locus for it. It also includes sacred geometry, connecting ancient shapes to modern physics. Higher dimensional physics is central to the Nemonian framework, extending beyond familiar dimensions. Each of the 27 dimensions serves a distinct purpose, integral to the cosmos's structure and evolution. Imagine reality as a cosmic skyscraper with 27 distinct floors, each unique. The Nemonian universe model presents this layered architecture. It starts at dimension 0, the point of origin. From this seed, reality expands, adding complexity. Higher dimensions are rich, vibrant, and dynamic. They govern matter, energy, and cosmic evolution. Dimensions communicate through harmonic oscillation and gravitational resonance. Dimensional coupling weaves the multiverse fabric. This is just a glimpse into the Nemonian universe model. Our journey into the Nemonian universe model begins at dimension 0. This is the absolute origin, a point of pure singularity. Imagine all the potential of the cosmos compressed into an infinitesimal speck. From this singular point, the entire intricate structure of dimensions will unfold. This is where the story of everything starts. From the dimensionless singularity of dimension 0, the Nemonian universe model guides us to dimension 1. Here, potential unfurls, taking on linearity. Imagine the universe stretching along a single axis, transforming from a point into a line, governed by E=hf, describing Planck energy packets. Energy begins to vibrate dynamically. These vibrations are the universe's first notes, pure vibrational energy extending in one dimension. Dimension 1 marks a critical transition. Linear strings are the threads of reality. Following the emergence of linear strings in dimension 1, the Nemonian universe model progresses to dimension 2. These lines weave together to form the first surfaces, the planar fabric of reality. Dimension 2 is the canvas itself, as isolated strings coalesce into a cohesive sheet, creating a new domain for energy to distribute and interact. The Nemonian model associates dimension 2 with the element iron, symbolizing stability and foundational integrity. It sets the stage for higher dimensional structures and the forces that will govern them. Ascending from dimension 2, we arrive at dimension 3 in the Nemonian universe model. This dimension gives rise to volume, the familiar three-dimensional space we inhabit. The universe gains the capacity for tangible structures and complex interactions. The Nemonian model seamlessly integrates dimension 4 spacetime. This dimension elegantly weds the three spatial dimensions with time. This is the stage upon which the events of the universe unfold, capturing the essence of Einstein's general relativity. Spacetime is a dynamic fabric. The emergence of spacetime provides the grand arena for cosmic evolution. Our journey continues, venturing beyond the familiar contours of spacetime. We now enter Dimension 5, a realm that introduces a fascinating concept: compactified space. These are not vast and expansive like the ones we know. Instead, they are curled up, incredibly tiny, hidden from our direct perception. The Nemonian universe model proposes that these higher dimensions are integral to the universe's structure. They influence the very fabric of reality in subtle yet profound ways. Neon, an inert gas known for its characteristic glow when energized, subtly hints at these hidden dimensions. This equation quantifies the electromagnetic flux within these compactified volumes. These higher folds of reality are not empty voids. They are teeming with activity. These compactified spaces, though hidden, are not disconnected from the larger reality. This is where the universe's hidden architecture truly begins to unfold. Emerging from the intricate hidden geometries of Dimension 5, we now plunge into Dimension 6. This dimension takes us deep into the heart of the quantum world, the realm of wave mechanics. Here, particles exist as probabilities and wave functions. Certainty gives way to potential, and matter behaves like a ripple. Dimension 6 reveals the universe's fuzzy, probabilistic character. It governs how quantum entities explore possibilities and manifest as reality. This is where the quantum pulse quickens. The Nemonian model links Dimension 6 to oxygen, vital for respiration and water. Oxygen symbolizes quantum mechanics' life-sustaining nature. Life's processes are rooted in quantum interactions. Oxygen underscores this connection. The core equation is psi equals e to the power of minus I times et minus k dot x. It represents a quantum wave function, describing how a quantum system evolves in space and time. This equation is a cornerstone of quantum theory. Imagine expanding spherical probability waves, like ripples on a pond, but waves of potential. Each wave represents the likelihood of finding a particle. Strong waves mean high probability, weak waves mean low. These are waves of information encoding all that can be known before observation. Expanding spheres illustrate inherent uncertainty and the vast array of quantum possibilities. Dimension 6 solidifies the quantum mechanical underpinnings. Reality is governed by wave functions. Propagation of these waves dictates particle movement, crucial for understanding quantum tunneling, superposition, and entanglement. The universe uses this language to write the rules for the very small. Understanding wave mechanics in Dimension 6 reveals the probabilistic nature of existence, paving the way for more complex interactions in subsequent dimensions. Having established the quantum wave nature of reality in Dimension 6, we now explore how energy itself moves and transforms. Dimension 7 in the Nemonian universe model is dedicated to energy transport. The universe is a dynamic system with energy constantly flowing and being utilized. Silicon, a semiconductor, symbolizes the regulated transport of energy on a cosmic scale. Dimension 8. Stellar synthesis, where energy converges in the cores of stars, forging new elements. Nitrogen, crucial for life, highlights the creative power of stellar processes. Stellar forges are the universe's alchemical engines, turning light into matter. Our exploration now takes us to realms where the universe's immense power and history are strikingly revealed. Dimension 9, compact objects dealing with the ultimate fate of massive stars like neutron stars and black holes. Iron represents the end point of fusion for many stars. Dimension 10, cosmic background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, filled with cosmic microwave background radiation. Helium, synthesized after the initial singularity, is associated here. Dimension 11, inflationary expansion, addressing the hyper-accelerated expansion known as inflation. Hydrogen, the primordial fuel, links back to this explosive growth. Our cosmic exploration now propels us into truly mind-bending territory. Dimension 12 suggests our universe may not be alone, postulating multiverse collision. The Nemonian model hints at a vast cosmic neighborhood. W and Z bosons, mediators of the weak nuclear force, hint at energetic interactions. Imagine immense cosmic sheets or brains representing entire universes. If these colossal structures collide, the impact would be monumental. Dimension 12 opens up a spectacular vista of possibilities. Multiverse collisions could influence our cosmic destiny and the initial conditions of our own Big Bang. Dimension 13, illuminating the shadows, the realm of dark matter. Dark matter, a profound mystery, provides extra gravitational pull, yet remains invisible. The Nemonian universe model assigns dark matter its own dimensional residence. The governing equation describes the dark gravitational interaction field. Hidden waves behind visible galaxies capture the elusive nature of dark matter. Dark matter forms vast halos around galaxies, shaping the cosmic web. This framework could inspire new research avenues, transforming dark matter into a feature of a multi-layered reality. Dimensions 14 and 15, cosmic blueprints from galactic clusters to the interstellar web. Dimension 14, galaxy clusters, enormous congregations of galaxies bound by gravity. Carbon, linked to this dimension, mirrors the stability of galaxy clusters. Dimension 15, the cosmic web, revealing an interconnected structure of filaments, sheets and walls. Lithium, forged in the Big Bang, traces these large-scale structures. The cosmic web is the universe's backbone, linking dense clusters. Dimensions 14 and 15 demonstrate how fundamental laws give rise to emergent complexity. The universe is intricately organized, showcasing an underlying order. Dimensions 16, 17 and 18, the quantum heartbeat and the symphony of unified forces. Dimension 16. Quantum fields, where fields, not particles, are fundamental entities. The top quark suggests immense energy potential within these fields. Dimension 17, wave-particle duality, addressing the core enigma of quantum mechanics. The electron neutrino embodies this dual nature. Dimension 18, unified forces, representing the grand ambition of a single theory for all fundamental forces. The Higgs boson plays a crucial role in this unification. These dimensions lay the quantum field foundations, address probabilistic reality, and weave a unified tapestry of forces. We now venture into dimension 19 of the Nemonian universe model, resonating with superstring theory. Physicists seek a deeper reality beneath elementary particles. Superstring theory proposes tiny, vibrating strands of energy known as strings. Dimension 19 plays these primordial melodies, forming cosmic harmony. The tau neutrino mirrors the foundational nature of these vibrating strings. Each string vibrates at different modes, like a violin, creating particles. These shimmering strings define our universe's properties, unifying particles into a grand cosmic symphony. This dimension holds the key to a true theory of everything. From the subtle vibrations of superstrings, we now move to dimension 20, a domain that resonates with the most powerful and far-reaching events in the cosmos, gravitational ripples. Albert Einstein, in his theory of general relativity, predicted that massive accelerating objects would send out waves of gravitational energy, literally ripples in the fabric of space-time. For a century, these were purely theoretical. But recently, with incredible technological advancements, we have begun to detect these faint tremors from the distant universe. Dimension 20 is where these gravitational waves propagate with clarity, carrying messages from cataclysmic cosmic events. The Nemonian universe model associates Dimension 20 with the graviton. The graviton is the hypothetical quantum particle that mediates the force of gravity, much like the photon mediates electromagnetism. While not yet directly observed, its existence is a key prediction of quantum gravity theories. The motion of these gravitational waves is described by the equation h of t equals a cos of kx minus omega t. Here, h of t represents the strain, or the tiny distortion in spacetime caused by the wave. A is the amplitude, k is the wave number, and omega is the angular frequency. This equation captures the essence of these waves as they travel across the universe at the speed of light. Imagine the universe as a colossal pond. When two black holes merge or neutron stars collide, they create a tremendous splash, sending ripples outwards. These are the gravitational waves. Observatories like LIGO and Virgo have acted as incredibly sensitive cosmic seismometers, detecting these minute distortions as they pass through Earth. These waves are not obstructed by matter. They travel unimpeded across billions of light years, carrying information about their violent origins. They offer us a completely new way to observe the universe, using gravity itself as the messenger. Dimension 20, within the Nemonian framework, underscores the dynamic and elastic nature of space-time. It's not a static stage, but an active medium, capable of transmitting energy and information through these gravitational ripples. The detection of these waves has opened a new era of multi-messenger astronomy, allowing us to hear the universe's most extreme events. In the context of the Nemonian model, these ripples may also interact with other dimensions, carrying influences from or into realms beyond our immediate perception. Understanding this dimension is crucial for a complete picture of cosmic dynamics and the interconnectedness of all energetic phenomena across the dimensional landscape. Our journey now confronts one of physics' most profound paradoxes and a universal law of nature. We begin with Dimension 21, black hole entropy. Black holes, these gravitational behemoths from which not even light can escape, have long puzzled scientists, particularly concerning what happens to the information about the matter they consume. Stephen Hawking famously proposed that black holes radiate energy and evaporate, seemingly destroying information, which violates a core tenet of quantum mechanics. Dimension 21 in the Nemonian model offers a resolution, suggesting that information isn't lost but encoded in a unique way. The Nemonian model associates dimension 21 with the strange quark, a fundamental particle found in exotic matter states, hinting at the extreme conditions within and around black holes. The crucial equation here is S equals K, underscore BC cubed A over 4GH, known as the Bekenstein-Hawking formula. It states that a black hole's entropy, a measure of its information content or disorder, is proportional to the area of its event horizon. The visual spinning black hole surface flashes suggest that this information is encoded on the very boundary of the black hole, perhaps as quantum fluctuations or energetic imprints rather than being lost to the singularity within. This concept of entropy naturally leads us to dimension 22, thermodynamic entropy. While dimension 21 deals with the specific entropy of black holes, dimension 22 addresses the broader universal principle that systems tend to move from order to disorder. This is the famous second law of thermodynamics. The Nemonian model links this dimension to the concept of an energy gradient, as entropy often drives processes by seeking equilibrium from states of higher energy concentration to lower. The governing equation is ds equals q over t, where ds is the change in entropy, q is heat exchanged, and t is temperature. This describes how heat flow inevitably increases overall disorder in the universe. Imagine every energetic process, every star burning, every reaction occurring, contributing to an ever-increasing sphere of cosmic entropy. In the Nemonian universe model, dimensions 21 and 22 are deeply interconnected. Black hole entropy represents a localized extreme manifestation of this universal tendency. Together, these dimensions describe a fundamental driver of change in the cosmos. The arrow of time itself is often linked to the increase of entropy. Understanding these layers is crucial for comprehending the universe's evolution and its ultimate fate, as order gives way to a state of maximum equilibrium or heat death. We now explore phenomena that operate on grand cosmic scales, hinting at energies and dynamics beyond our standard understanding. Dimension 23 in the Nemonian universe model introduces hyperspace electromagnetism. We are familiar with electromagnetic forces in our four-dimensional space-time. They govern light, electricity, and magnetism. But what if these forces have deeper expressions in higher dimensions? Dimension 23 proposes precisely this, suggesting that electromagnetic interactions can manifest in more complex ways within the hyperspatial architecture of the Nemonian framework. The associated element is the charm quark, another fundamental particle, hinting at the subtle but significant nature of these higher dimensional fields. The physics of hyperspace electromagnetism is described by the equation phi equals the integral of E dot B dV, representing the electromagnetic flux within a given volume. While this equation appeared in dimension 5 for compactified spaces, here in dimension 23 it takes on a grander scale, referring to harmonic resonances of electromagnetic fields that extend through the higher dimensional structure of the cosmos. This suggests that hyperspace is not empty, but is filled with subtle electromagnetic currents and potentials, potentially influencing phenomena in our perceived reality in ways we are yet to fully understand. This exploration of hidden energies brings us to one of the greatest cosmological mysteries, dark energy, which is addressed in Dimension 24, Dark Energy Expansion. Observations of distant supernovae have revealed that the expansion of the universe is not slowing down, as one might expect due to gravity, but is actually accelerating. This implies the existence of a mysterious repulsive force, dubbed dark energy, that permeates all of space. The Nemonian model assigns dark energy itself as the elemental characteristic of this dimension. The governing equation is Rho equals lambda c squared divided by 8pg, where ρ is the density of dark energy and lambda is the cosmological constant, representing a fundamental energy density of the vacuum. Within the Nemonian framework, this accelerating expansion is potentially driven by higher harmonic resonances from these extra dimensions, as hinted in the Mysteries Solved section of the model's overview. Dimension 23's hyperspace electromagnetism might even play a role in modulating this dark energy. Together, Dimensions 23 and 24 paint a picture of a universe far more dynamic and interconnected than previously imagined, with hidden energies in higher dimensions directly influencing its ultimate fate and large-scale structure, pushing the boundaries of our cosmic understanding ever further. Our cosmic ascent through the Nemonian universe model now brings us to Dimension 25. This dimension is a realm of immense power and profound unification. It fully incorporates quantum chromodynamics, or QCD. This theory describes the strong nuclear force, binding quarks to form protons and neutrons. The Nemonian model associates Dimension 25 with the gluon. Gluons are the messenger particles of the strong nuclear force. Without gluons, atomic nuclei would fly apart. The universe with its stable atoms and diverse elements could not exist. This dimension underscores the elegance and completeness of the Nemonian framework. Delving into Dimension 25, we encounter a gluon matrix weaving energy shells. This imagery speaks volumes about the strong force's role. Imagine an intricate dynamic matrix formed by gluons. This matrix weaves energetic shells that confine quarks. These shells give protons and neutrons their structure and stability. The strong force ensures quarks remain bound, a phenomenon unique to QCD. The gluon matrix is the architect of the subatomic world's most resilient structures. We have now arrived at the precipice of the Nemonian universe model, Dimension 26. This is designated as the dimensional horizon. It represents the culmination of the dimensional cascade that began with the singularity of Dimension 0. The Nemonian model associates Dimension 26 with the photon. The photon, the quantum of light, is a fundamental entity. As reality approaches this horizon, its structure or energy might gently fade or transform. This isn't a catastrophic end, but a cosmic sigh as the universe reaches equilibrium. Section 4, Dimension 26, Fractal Light's Dissolution, Entropy's Final Canvas. The visual imagery for Dimension 26 is profoundly evocative. Fractal light dissolving into an entropy field. This combines two powerful concepts. Fractals, with their infinite complexity and self-similarity, often appear in nature and might describe the intricate structure of space-time or energy distribution. Light, represented by photons, is the carrier of energy and information. The idea of this fractal light dissolving suggests a beautiful, orderly unwinding of complexity. It's as if the universe's intricate patterns gently release their structure, their energy transforming as they approach this ultimate boundary. This dissolution is not into nothingness, but into an entropy field. This connection to entropy is crucial. We encountered thermodynamic entropy in Dimension 22, the universal tendency towards disorder. Here, at the dimensional horizon, the entropy field may represent the state of maximum equilibrium, where all usable energy has been evenly distributed. The dissolving fractal light could be the final transformation of ordered energy into this diffused state. The photon flow stabilization, governed by P's T, P=P0ELT, describes how this process might occur, a controlled gradual fading rather than a chaotic disintegration. It's a picture of the universe reaching a state of peaceful quiescence, its energetic narratives concluding. The dimensional horizon of Dimension 26, therefore, doesn't just mark an end, it signifies a final state of balance for the universe. As the Nemonian model's Mysteries Solved section suggests, it resolves debates around heat death, bounce, or big rip fates. Instead, it proposes a more nuanced scenario, a quantum field decay and entropy completion. This implies that the universe's fundamental fields reach their lowest energy state, and entropy reaches its maximum, resulting in a stable, enduring configuration. The photon, the element of this dimension, plays a key role in this final distribution and stabilization of energy. This final layer of the Nemonian universe model provides a sense of closure to the cosmic journey. From the singular spark of Dimension 0 to the intricate tapestry of 25 subsequent layers, Dimension 26 offers a vision of ultimate resolution. The journey through matter formation, energy storage, and cosmic evolution culminates in this horizon where complexity gracefully dissolves into a fundamental state of balance. It's a testament to the model's comprehensive scope, offering not just an architecture for reality, but also a profound perspective on its ultimate destiny, where even the end is portrayed with a sense of order and emergent simplicity. Recapitulating the grand tapestry, the Nemonian synthesis. Our cosmic voyage through the Nemonian universe model has been extraordinary. From the genesis at dimension 0, we witnessed reality unfold to dimension 26. Each step revealed new properties and possibilities. The universe, as envisioned by Nemo Jackson, is breathtakingly complex and elegant, a symphony of interconnected dimensions urging us to see beyond our perception. It offers a deeper comprehension of existence, a grand design, waiting for us to explore its depths. The Nemonian framework unifies quantum mechanics and general relativity. It transforms dark matter and dark energy into structural components. This model mends fractures in our scientific understanding. A theory of everything is taking shape before our eyes. Section 2. Illuminating the unknown, mysteries solved and new horizons. The Nemonian universe model is more than an elegant intellectual construct. It steps forward into the scientific arena, offering potential solutions to profound enigmas. Consider the origin of reality. Dimension 0, the singularity, starts with E=mq2. Dark matter finds its home in dimension 13. Dark energy's expansion is addressed in dimension 24. The black hole information paradox resolves in dimension 21. These insights are paradigm-shifting, shining light into unexplored cosmic corners. Beyond these mysteries, the Nemonian framework revitalizes theoretical domains. String theory, M-theory, and loop quantum gravity hint at a multidimensional reality. These theories often remained out of reach for direct verification. The Nemonian universe model changes this, providing a detailed, step-by-step dimensional structure, making abstract theories visualizable and applicable, grounding complex mathematics in a relatable cosmic architecture, offering a scaffold for new implications and possibilities. The impact extends beyond theoretical physics, opening doors to transformative practical applications. Imagine quantum AI platforms designed using Nemonian principles, creating sophisticated dimensional simulations, exploring alternate universes and cosmic parameters. The Mysteries Solved section hints at a multiverse engineering blueprint. Humanity might interact with the cosmos in new ways. The possibilities are staggering and inspiring. The Nemonian model integrates ancient wisdom with modern science, aligning the 5 Platonic solids, tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, icosahedron, and dodecahedron, with elemental associations, acknowledging humanity's ancient quest for understanding, bridging empirical rigor with ancient metaphysics, suggesting reality has a fundamental geometric language, creating a richer, holistic tapestry of human knowledge. Section 3. The Nemonian Legacy, charting the future of cosmic exploration. The Nemonian universe model, envisioned by Nemo Jackson, transcends conventional scientific theory. It offers a quantum scaffold for the future of physics, cosmology, and consciousness. This model fosters a new way of perceiving our relationship with the cosmos. It provides the language for comprehending our magnificent universe. Designed to ignite further inquiry, it stands as an invitation to the global scientific community. The Nemonian universe model holds immense potential for transforming science education. It can inspire students and the public, sparking lifelong curiosity about reality. Born from Nemo Jackson's insights, it is a testament to humanity's desire to understand the cosmos. The cosmos, in all its glory, awaits our continued exploration.